Hi friends. For Art Center today, we're going to need a few things. You're going to need your hole punch, your 6 strips of orange paper, a green pipe cleaner, and your 2 brads. Now, we're going to take our orange pieces and we're going to hole punch on each end. So 1, 2. Okay, so on each of my pieces, I'm going to hole punch. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to try to do them in the same spot because we want it to line up. Okay, my friends, so you see how I hole punched in the same spot? So again, like towards the end, and we're going to hole punch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Almost done with mine. 1, 2. And remember, hole punching is so good for our fine motor skills. 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to take one of my brads and I'm going to put my pieces on the end of it. Okay, see how I'm doing that? I'm putting my pieces on the end. Okay. Oh, mine fell out, and that's okay. Yours might too. Now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, taking my orange pieces, and some of my dots didn't line up. That's okay. My hole punching dots didn't line up. So again, I'm just going to push it through. Okay, and I'm going to open it up again. My friends, now see how I'm curving it out? So I have them in, and then look at it. I'm curving it out, curving it around, and I'm making a pumpkin. All right, now we also have our pipe cleaner. So I'm going to make that look like the stem and the vine on my pumpkin. So I'm just kind of looping it around on there. Moms and dads might need to help you do this part, okay? You can also stick the pipe cleaner through the hole to help you as well. So see how I'm doing that? And I'm just gonna kind of twist it to make it look fun. So you can use a pencil to help you too. I'll grab a pencil and show you what that looks like. So I twisted it around the brad, and then I twisted it around my finger. Or watch this, you can take a pencil and you can roll it and twist it around your pencil too, which makes kind of a cool vine going up on there as well. Okay, friends? So see how we have that? So I push the brad through. Okay, so again, first you're gonna hole punch on both sides and try to line them up. Mine didn't line up perfectly, and that's okay. Then you're gonna put your brad through, okay, and open it. Moms and dads might need to help you a little bit with that part. Then you spread. Remember how I had it like this? It was all together. Then you pull it around, pull it apart, and you're gonna have a cool pumpkin. Then you're just gonna loop the pipe cleaner around, and mommy and daddy might need to help you attach the pipe cleaner, and then you can scroll it around a pencil or your finger to make the cool vine. And we have our 3D pumpkin. All right, my friends, I can't wait to see your 3D pumpkins. I will see you back soon.